Don't look at them.
Now look at it.
At me.
If you don't believe me, look at her shoes.
Katie, look at him.
When I saw you last night and when you looked at me,
Oh, now look at this.
When they're not staring at me, I notice.
You know, I kept staring at you at the party, and then it came to me.
I'm staring at him.
I found myself staring at her in class.
You sit in a cell all day long staring at a calendar.
I stared and stared at it.
Parents come and stare at the kids.
My day, we didn't stare at birds.
Because you smile at him.
I would smile at them. Yeah, you smiled at him and said hello.
He's smiling at me like he's got something on me.
She smiles at us all the time.
He smiles at me with his tiny mouth.
He smiles at me, thanks.
Don't smile at me like that.
Why would they laugh at you?
The audience laughed at every joke.
I laughed at the man with no pants until I realized I have no legs.
I know, but you don't want me to laugh at you.
The city's laughing at us.
What if she laughs at me, though?
I make the jokes, and he laughs at them.
We'll laugh at you, but you still have to tell me.
Master, are you pointing at me?
You were about to point at Tigress and that thing fell in front of her.
No, it just looks like you're pointing at me.
He wasn't pointing at me.
He's pointing at you.
It's your gun in my hand, pointed at you.
I have a gun pointed at your scrotum.
He told me that I should never point at anything in the house.
Don't shout at her, she's not a child.
There's no need to shout at her.
Please don't shout at him.
Stop shouting at me.
He shouted at you.
I'm sorry I shouted at you.
Don't shout at him.
Do not shout at me.
I mean, she yelled at me, but she yells at me all the time, too. Right?
A guy on the subway yelled at me.
You've just yelled at me the length of New York for not doing it in the first place.
So then her mom called my mom and started yelling at her.
I mean, you're not going to be the one worrying about saving for college or yelling at them when they're bad. No one was yelling at me to turn down my music or get a job. This blonde planet with a pocketbook starts yelling at me.
Okay, well, you want to yell at your other kid before we go, or?
And then you screamed at me.
She screamed at me.
Damn friend of yours screamed at me all day long yesterday.
And I'd say, why are you screaming at me?
You were screaming at me, okay?
Stop screaming at me.
You're not gonna scream at us?
Why not scream at me?
Is this dog barking at me?
What the hell is the goddamn dog barking at?
You barked at her.
The dog barked at the clock.
That stupid dog barks at me one more time.
The dogs bark at me.
Don't bark at me.
You don't bark at strangers?
They won't shoot at us.
She can't shoot at us then.
They were really shooting at us. They're shooting at the lights.
I mean, these people... Somebody was shooting at me.
Did you just shoot at me with your eyes closed?
If you wanted to kill him, why did you shoot at me?
They shoot at anything that moves. 17 Feb says you're firing at them. Somebody started shooting at us first!
They're firing at us! Shit!
People were yelling at anything, firing at anything.
Friday, what are they firing at?
See the size of that gun he fired at us?
But you and your men are not to be shot at, fired at, or launched upon.
I fired at him with my piece and he ran away.
But that is my one bullet to fire at the heart of Skynet. Don't aim at the target.
Don't aim at anything you don't plan on shooting.
Don't aim at me, dude. What?
This is obviously between you two, so if you can aim at him.
You want to hit that lamp, you should aim at me.
You are aiming at me, aren't you?
I'm aiming at you, lover.
You ever had a trigger aimed at your head?